Let us see a few more examples on loss of exponents. In this example, assuming that x is a positive real number and a comma b comma c are rational numbers, show that x to the power b upon x to the power c whole to the power a times x to the power c by x to the power a whole to the power b times x to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power c. This is a whole to the power c equal to 1. We have to prove this one. Loss of exponents and all you know already, but here again I am writing a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, and one more I am going to use over here, a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. Based on that I am going to solve this one. So using the first here this one, I am going to write this one as x to the power b minus c whole to the power a times x to the power c minus a whole to the power b times x to the power a minus b whole to the power c. Right? Now here using this law of exponent, I am writing this one as x to the power b minus c into a times x to the power c minus a into b times x to the power a minus b into c. Further I am multiplying x to the power ab minus ac times x to the power bc minus ab times x to the power ac minus bc. Using the law of exponent a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, based on that one, x to the power ab minus ac plus bc minus ab plus ac minus bc. Now here plus ab minus ab gets cancelled, minus ac plus ac gets cancelled, plus bc minus bc gets cancelled. We left over with 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1. So the answer is 1. In the same manner, here I am going to solve with the next example. Here in this example, we are going to use the first law of exponent. Here in this first law of exponent. So I am going to write this one as x to the power a minus b into 1 by ab into here x to the power b minus c into whole to the power 1 by bc into x to the power c minus a whole to the power 1 by ca. Now here this I am taking it as LHS. Now here x to the power a minus b into 1 by ab, using this law of exponent, into x to the power b minus c whole to the power 1 by bc into x to the power c minus a into 1 by ca. Now this can be written as x to the power a into 1 by ab minus b into 1 by ab into x to the power b into 1 by bc minus c into 1 by bc into x to the power c into 1 by ca minus a into 1 by ca. Now here a and a gets cancelled. We left with x to the power 1 by b minus b and b gets cancelled 1 by a times x to the power b and b gets cancelled, left with 1 by c minus c and c gets cancelled, left with 1 by b into x to the power, this c and c gets cancelled, left with 1 by a minus a and a gets cancelled, left with 1 by c. Now using this a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, based on that one I am going to write this one as x to the power 1 by b minus 1 by a plus 1 by c minus 1 by b plus 1 by a minus 1 by c. Plus 1 by b minus 1 by b gets cancelled, minus 1 by a plus 1 by a gets cancelled, plus 1 by c and minus 1 by c gets cancelled. Nothing is left over. That's why I am writing this one as 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1. This is equal to RHS. That's what they are asking us to prove. Clear? Thank you.